What's up YouTube, Kyle here to bring you guys another video. So it's been a while since I've done a video, just life. I did get this in recently, so I did pick this up off of perfumeonline.ca. Shout outs to them. I was able to cop this for at least $23 and then plus tax. I had enough points to get free shipping because I was able to get this and also a basically one of my girlfriend's friends as one of their birthday gifts. So it was definitely really cheap. I took the advantage basically because like I saw Perseus Exclusif, like a Perseus review on from YouTubers, so I had it noted down, and I really do like Pegasus, although I do lean towards Layton more nowadays, but I was always a fan of the Pegasus, like from Parfum de Marly. So I definitely wanted to try Perseus Exclusif because it wasn't sold out on the site, so I just got it in. So I'm just gonna unbox it for y'all. Hopefully I can unbox it for y'all like real quickly, and won't take too long so we can get on with the review. So far the packaging is really nice. Again, I love the deer and the horses. I definitely still like Parfum de Marly's packaging more, but that's just for packaging. So you have the name of the house here, Maison Alhambra, so this would be under Lattafa. So I was just searching stuff for Lattafa. So we have the Perseus Exclusif here, and then Maison Alhambra here. That's pretty cool. And Lattafa perfumes at the bottom here. You have the batch code. This is the, I believe this, I forgot what this code is, but this is the QR code, my bad. And then we have here this information, but let's get to unboxing. I like the box for sure. Sorry if this takes too long. I want to cut it. It's anticipation, guys. Anticipation. So let's get to opening the box. I know I saw like Jensen's review on Perseus recently. It was really entertaining, don't get me wrong, but he was pretty pissed about that other fragrance. He does not have a good view of Maison Alhambra, so I understand, you know. So far the bottle, let's get this out. Trying not to damage the packaging. I'm a really big fan of the packaging. Box. Let's take it out. Okay, sideways. Perseus Exclusif. Yeah, so it does remind me of the Xerjoff top of the caps here. Was never really a fan of the Xerjoff. Like, not too many of the Xerjoff bottles intrigue me. So, yeah. So, bottle's okay. Not the best looking in my opinion, but again, not everyone's really into the presentation, but yeah, this is okay. Again, I'm not gonna complain. I paid $23, $25. Let's estimate. Yeah, so cap is okay. I'm gonna spray it on my hand here just so I can smell, and then you'll see the atomizer. Atomizer's okay. I'm just gonna smell this thing. Okay, it's good. It's good. It's not too strong, but definitely good. Definitely, I like this bottle more than my Armaf Craze bottle. My Armaf Craze bottle, it does have a little screechiness at the start of it, but it's definitely Pegasus for sure. I feel like this is, I'm smelling it. Obviously, like, quality is not going to be there because of the price, right? But yeah, if you want like a Pegasus on the cheap, I'm not gonna steer you wrong, right? So do I regret this decision? So far, no, not really. Like, again, $25. I can use this as like, I would have to check on the projection, so I would, like, if you guys want to comment, I will comment in the projection of it later on. Like, It's not too strong. I have a Lattafa's camera, and that was a monster when I sprayed it on. This one not too much. Do I think it smells like Perseus Exclusif? Not really. Does it give off the Pegasus vibes? Yeah, it does, but not to the point. But then again, it's just because I've also been wearing multiple fragrances. But yeah, obviously myself, I would have to give this more tries. I'll come back later in the video with how it smells on my skin after like 2 hours of wear. And yeah, I'll let you guys know, Okay, so I just came back. Basically, it's been about an hour and a half-ish. I had to respray it all myself a couple of times just because I wanted to go out. I just wanted to see how the fragrance was in the air while I was outside, actually in the air. But yeah, like it definitely developed to be something better outside. In the cold weather, like in the cold air outside, it was definitely better. It started to have like this nice creamy vanilla. You got the little almond. It's not too strong, so it's not, I feel like you can kind of wear it in the office because it doesn't really project as loud. Just because like for me, I'm just like, okay, when I wear a Pegasus, I know it's projecting, and like you smell it like projecting off of your skin. This one, it's there, but it's like very, it's not faint, but it's like slightly there. You get whiffs of it. Do I think it was worth like the money? For 25 Canadian, I would say it's not bad. Sure, there is better options. Like I would state that if you really like Pegasus, not the Exclusif, I would state go with the Armaf, the Craze. That one is good. You just have to get over the little fuzziness at the start, but it does give out the Pegasus vibe, the Armaf Craze. I haven't smelled Perseus myself, but knowing how this one smells like, I'm kind of worried as to getting Perseus itself, knowing that I already have about 95 milliliter bottle of the Armaf Craze left, if not 90 milliliters. So again, personally, it's a clone. You can't expect it to be amazing. It's like hit or miss. Honestly, how I think of this comparing to the Perseus Exclusif, I do have Fragrantica up here. I'm looking at the notes. So for the Perseus Exclusif, it would have had cardamom, heliotrope, pink pepper, bergamot, bitter almond, lavender, jasmine, geranium, vanilla. So the base notes would have been vanilla, gaiac wood, agarwood, or the oud, and sandalwood and amber. For Perseus Exclusif, I get a subtle vanilla with some of the bitter almond. You get that more again in the middle notes. Like it would definitely be in the middle. I definitely don't get the cardamom when I smell it, because I think I'm just too when I think about cardamom, I think of La Nuit de l'Homme. I have the Eau de Parfum, so that one I would think back to that in terms of cardamom. Again, I do smell the woodiness in this, so that would have been like this agarwood, but obviously because of how low the cost is of this fragrance, I don't think it's definitely not like the legitimate agarwood or oud, right? So it is what it is. But yeah, like presentation is nice. This is a sticker, but again, what do you expect? Like they definitely did copy the presentation, so I'll give it to them for presentation. Fragrance sense wise, I'm being nice, like 30% of a Pegasus Exclusif. Honestly, yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, guys, like, share, comment this video. This is an honest review. Like, do I feel bad about it? A little bit, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Again, the more likes I get on the videos, the more what's it called, the more I would be happier to do more videos, because obviously time constraints. But yeah, have a good one. Peace.